Welcome to the crypto farming course. My name is Petko Aleksandrov, and in this course I will teach you how to farm crypto using hard drives. I will share why I never started mining Bitcoin or Ethereum, but now I am happy to farm Chia. You will learn what my personal experience in farming crypto using proof of space and time is. You won't need expensive hardware that consumes a lot of electricity, but rather you can simply use the free space on your hard disk of your computer. All you need is a processor of 1.5 GHz, 2 GB of RAM and a 1 TB HDD or SSD. Basically a computer that most of us have at home is sufficient for farming. Everyone can do it. In this course, I will demonstrate to you how to farm Chia coin using hard drives. Then the decision is yours. You can swap the Chia for any asset like Bitcoin or Ethereum, or sell it and get the cash. This is currently the most cost-efficient method and much better than the traditional and expensive mining using video cards, which incur high electricity costs. I will show you the best practices so you can start farming with whatever computer you have at home. And of course, if you wish to invest in more hard drives and earn more crypto, I will show you the simple calculations to work out the return on your investment. During the course, you will see all the steps you need to take in order to start earning rewards. I will also show you how to send the Chia earned to exchanges and swap it to other crypto or withdraw it in fiat currency. So if you are a complete beginner, you will see all of the steps from getting started with crypto farming to withdrawing the profits from your bank account. Best of all, I'm here to support you if you have any difficulties, so you won't be taking this exciting journey alone. And very importantly, the technology improves all the time. My team and I do our best to keep an eye on the latest updates on proof of space, and we will continuously keep the course up to date. And once enrolled, you will have lifetime access. Plus, we are so confident that you will enjoy the course. We offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there is nothing to lose and the only crypto to gain. Are you ready? Let's get started with the crypto farming.